Hello friends. A few days ago I had shared one uh, tool, online link for how to record your video lectures. Using the same tool, today I am going to give a demo for some another tool that is how to use your webcam or mobile phone as document camera. When you are teaching online, sometimes we need to write something on page or on the board to display apart from explaining the PPT. And more importantly, we need to write some text on demand on the PPT itself. So how to do that? For that, either you purchase a digital writing pad, the cost is 20,000 or plus. I'm going to imitate the same digital writing pad just by using your webcam. 2000 rupees cost webcam, or in fact your mobile camera also you can use. So let us see. Uh, Say we have some PPT here. Okay, so while explaining, I want to write here. So how I have to write? Okay, so let me show you. So for that, I have written a Python code, and same I converted into exe file. And once you run that exe file, you will get a window like this. So I have one mobile camera I'm using, or webcam also you can use. So here you can adjust the brightness, whatever brightness you want. And this contrast also you can add. And whatever you write here, hello. So it will be displayed like this. But this is not enough because I want to write something on the PPT itself. So what I'll do, I'll just decrease the transparency. So I'm showing, going to now see. Here is my PPT, and it will be overlaid like this. Okay. So let us say this is your PPT. Now, if you want to write something, whatever you write here, it also will be written there. Welcome. Or something you want to explain here, or underlining the text. Okay. Or you can use some other pen also. So, although it is camera, okay, like webcam or your mobile smartphone camera also you can use. So, whatever you write here, it will appear like you are writing on the PPT. So from here you can like adjust the transparency. Also you can adjust the contrast or brightness. Apart from that, you can draw something over here itself. Like for example, you want to draw some line, or you can select some other color also. Okay, you can, let us say, use it. I can clean it. Okay. So my point is, you can use your webcam as if you are writing on the PPT. Now let us say you move to the next slide of the PPT. Just minimize it. So the text went off, something like this. Okay. Again, you can take the overlay. Okay. Is the text visible? Of course, while making the transparency, the contrast of the text is decreased. So I'm still working on that to how to make the contrast more visible. So if I hope it is good enough, but if at all you want some better system, then you have to spend 20,000 to purchase the uh, like digital writing pad. If that is not feasible, I'll share this exe file. You can use that. So like this is our PPT, but once you overlay, it will look like this because little bit your contrast will decrease. Okay. Okay. So this PPT is for positive thinking and negative thinking. Okay. Okay, thank you. I'll share this exe file. I'll give the link. You may use that. Okay, thank you.